We are pleased to show you the 2015 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.